Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 smart home assistants that are revolutionizing our homes by making them smarter and our lives more comfortable as technology swiftly advances. Smart home assistants have become indispensable components of this comfortable living. In this video, we will thoroughly review the leading devices on the market, talking about each one's unique features. If you're contemplating making your home smarter, this video is exactly for you. Let's get started. Number 1. Amazon Echo Dot, 4th generation. Amazon Echo Alexa helps you control your home and answer your queries with its voice command service. It is compatible with music streaming services and can manage Zigbee-enabled smart home devices. With its remote voice detection technology, you can ask your device questions from across the room, even while music is playing. It has a round and sleek design, available in charcoal, twilight blue, glacier white colors, and features an LED display that can show time, weather, or timers. Alexa offers functionalities like setting alarms, asking questions, ordering pizza, shopping, playing games, and controlling smart home devices. Number 2. Google Nest Hub, 2nd generation. Google Nest Hub provides the ability to control your smart devices with Google Assistant support, including watching security camera footage, adjusting the thermostat, and watching your favorite shows. It integrates with Google services, providing personalized responses and the ability to control your devices with voice commands. Featuring a live touchscreen, it can integrate with many smart devices and stream content from platforms like Netflix and YouTube. It acts as the hub of your smart home, allowing you to control all your smart home devices from one central point. It offers a user-friendly experience integrated with Google services and numerous smart home devices. Number 3. Apple HomeKit. With Apple HomeKit, you can control your devices using Siri voice commands or the Home app, featuring robust security. It is compatible with smart home products from over 100 brands, such as Philips, Eve, and Ecobee. It is easy to use and compatible with various iOS devices. Number 4. Samsung SmartThings. Samsung SmartThings integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, offering the possibility to control your Samsung smart devices with voice commands. Through the SmartThings app, you can manage your devices, create custom routines, and programs. It is compatible with a wide range of devices and offers flexibility. Number 5. Sonos Smart Speakers with Alexa, Sonos Move. Sonos Move provides an excellent sound system with Alexa voice control. You can receive updates using voice commands. Sonos Move is portable, weather-resistant, and offers various connectivity options. It has an 11-hour battery life and takes about 2 hours to fully charge. It works with Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, and the Sonos app. It is notable for its high sound quality and durable construction. We have examined 5 popular smart home assistants, each offering unique features and advantages to simplify home automation. I hope this information helps as you set up or update your smart home systems. Thank you for watching my video. Which product would you choose? Let's meet in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.